I've been seeing content creators that talk about locks. They are putting this product here, then you see this one, you go and buy it, then you go to another person again, you saw another content creator using another one, you go and buy it, then you're having a house full of products, and then you're applying everything on your locks. Is it that it causes build up for you, or hello and welcome to Loc Life with Loc Classic. And if you're new here, this is a channel where I have been documenting my locks from a starter phase to, of course, its mature phase. I am 1 year locked and I am so excited. So today we're going to be talking about what I've learned through the experience so far. But before we get into the video, you can see I have some beautiful Loc accessories. And of course, I created them for the Loc girlies. I still have something for the Loc guys too, actually. If you want it to be customized in the masculine way, I can do it for you. But majorly for my Loc girlies, I got you guys any day, anytime. So when you purchase your Loc accessories from me, this is what you'll be getting. And of course, you can see what it looks like. So hurry now to my page on Instagram at Loc Classic Craft. I'll be showing it on the screen at Loc Classic Craft to order yours. I ship to anywhere you are, actually. So don't say because I might be in a distance. Of course, I ship to anywhere you are. So send that DM right now and let's get your Loc jewelry ready for you. So before I start talking about these experiences, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. I am 1 year locked and there are some things that I've learned through the journey so far. I'll just be sharing some of my experience in case you're still in your journey to 1 year or you're about to start your Loc journey. You know, and of course you could go watch all my videos. I've been documenting my Loc journey since my 6 months, so you could go watch my previous videos, and some of the things I was experiencing, I have shared them and you can learn a lot from it. Right now I am not really facing the difficulties I was facing anymore. I feel like it gets better from here. So if you're looking to start your locks, what I will advise you so far, and people say it all the time, is patience. If you can be patient, I feel like there's nothing that you cannot like skate through, because I've had days whereby it was really not what I wanted. I don't know if you watch my YouTube shorts. I shared a video on when I recently dyed my locks, right? And I like to be transparent as possible, in as much I do not like dyes on my hair, but I had to because I have a 1B hair, like 1B black hair. Do you understand? Apart from that, the sun actually bleached my hair, so I had to dye my locks. I'm so excited. I'm so self-confident with how it looks like now. Going back to what I was saying, I said patience. Patience is one thing that you want to stick to. I would advise you that if you're someone that you're not patient, you cannot be patient, you know, do not get locks. I'm so straightforward like that. Do not even try it, because it's going to test your patience 100%. And yikes. So secondly is that you get tender-headed. I have said this in my previous videos, and of course it is true. I need to re-emphasize it because I know that some of us, this might be the first video of me you are coming across. So before you get your locks, or even after you've got your locks, you're going to get so tender-headed. I still get tender-headed till date, actually, and that happens when I've not had like a relock for a while. I've not had my relock, it's over 1 month now, but I have my relock every 6 weeks, so this is 4 weeks. Right now, if I want to pack any styles, right, I feel very, very, very tender-headed. Like, it hurts me so much. So that is one thing that you should put at the back of your mind, that your scalp is going to be so tender due to like less manipulation. Thirdly is, yes, of course you would be so intentional. Like, you having locks makes you so intentional about your hair. So I would say that locks is one particular hairstyle that teaches you how to understand your hair, like your natural hair. Before I had locks, like, I really do not know anything. I just lose my hair, go make it come back, do not hydrate, do not moisturize. I don't know anything about that. Like, I do not understand my hair. But because when I got locks, I have to take time to start learning my hair, and of course I've seen what works and what doesn't work. So you having locks is going to really open your eyes to understand your natural hair, and of course this is something that you really love, because you'll be able to retain length and like and get volume on your hair, because now you're understanding your hair instead of you having a hair that breaks off. Because that's what happened to me when I had my natural loose hair. I really did not care about caring for it that much, and I really did not understand my hair. Now I understand my hair better than any other thing. Fourthly is, it exposes you to, like, with less I can get more. I'm not saying that locks is like low maintenance. I don't believe in the fact that locks is low maintenance. I feel like you need to put your energy into caring for it, actually. But like, when I say with less I can get more, like, you don't really need to do too much to look pretty. You don't really need to do too much to look stylish for you to shine with your hair. Do you understand? Just now I just added Loc Accessories, and I'm already looking good. I'm looking fly. Like, I don't really need to add too much things, extensions and stuff like that, and I'm looking so fly. So it makes you to, like, key him with that. Like, with legs I can get more, with legs I still look so beautiful. Do you understand? One thing again that you have in Locs, and in this 1 year of my Loc journey has taught me, that it's not every product that works for you. It's not every product that you feel like is working for another person that will work for you, because some of us don't have the same hair texture, we don't have the same type. So I figured out I have high porosity hair, so that means my hair, when you put water on it, the water disappears so fast. So that means I have to moisturize like all the time, once to twice a day. You having that kind of hair texture, the kind of product that will work for somebody else that doesn't have it would definitely be different for you. Do you understand? So you just keep on trying till you see the one that actually works. That's why when people ask me questions like, what product do you use and stuff like that for your locks, and or give us, I am very, very hesitant to actually share that with them, because I feel like, what if this product doesn't work for you? It might be working for me. If it doesn't work for you, just come back to me and be like, Lola, you gave me a product that almost damaged my hair and stuff like that. If I end up recommending that product to you, I will always tell you that it might work for you, it might not work for you. Just keep your finger crossed. And if it does work for you, I would advise you to stick with it. So it's not that because, I've been seeing content creators that talk about locks, you are putting this product here, then you see this one, you go and buy it, then you go to another person again, you saw another content creator using another one, you go and buy it, then you're having a house full of products, and then you're applying everything on your locks. Is it that it causes build up for you? Or about build up, if you have not watched my video about build up, you should go watch it. I'll put the link in the description box, actually. So you start putting all those products on your locks, and you see that instead of your locks to be growing, like, it's damaging. Like I said, it's just the bare minimum, right? Just look for one particular oil that works for you, and then oil and water, and wash your hair regularly when you need to wash it. That's the only thing that you need. Anybody that is telling you to use one product from this one product, they are actually lying to you. So I just knew I had to chip that in. That is one thing that I learned, because when I had my natural loose hair, I used to buy different kind of products just to make sure, okay, it will work. At the end of the day, I'll just pack those products one side, because my hair is not working. But so far so good. My Locs has taught me that you don't need too much product. Just look for the one that works for you, and then stick to it. So I hope this helps you too. With Locs, you are able to track your hair growth. This is absolutely so beautiful. On the screen, I'm going to be showing you how my hair was when I just locked it versus now. Do you understand? So you could actually see, you could track your hair length, like, okay, is it growing, is it not growing, what's happening and stuff like that. It's a beautiful thing, because you can see how it has been, like, evolving over time. Even if you had the rough days, it has been evolving, and it has been becoming something really beautiful. So those are the things that, like, you having locks might actually show you. If you are still having those lock problems, I know we have lock problems, you're not understanding it, you're taking time to understand it, just calm down. You will watch videos, try to understand your hair better, ask questions, use ChatGTP. I use ChatGTP a lot to ask questions when I'm, like, very confused, and it gives me, like, the right and accurate answer on what to do. And of course I take those answers, and, like, it works perfectly well for me. So don't stop researching and asking questions, not even just locks. When it comes to other things that you do in life, you might get stuck at one point, but you just need to continue, like, searching for answers by asking questions. You have your phone, you have the internet, there are a lot of lock content creators like myself, you can look into and learn a lot from them to be able to help you navigate this journey. So let me just give you, like, a little story. Like, before I started my Loc journey, I did my research first, and of course I got to get some answers, and while I was in it, I started understanding some things, not even from people, like from myself. I started understanding what works for me, the product that works for me, the product that doesn't. Like I said before, if you like the Loc jewelry that I have on, don't forget to go to my Instagram at @lolaclassic_craft. Yikes, and send in your orders. I will be so excited to create this for my Loc girlies. I'm so excited when I create a Loc jewelry for my Loc girlies. So I'll be so excited and delighted to make you some Loc accessories. So if you have any questions and you want me to elaborate on, or you want me to speak about it in my next video, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be willing to give you answers to it from my own experiences. I'm looking forward to you having a beautiful and flourishing locks. Please do not cut your locks. I'm seeing that trend, right? People are actually cutting their locks off, and I'm like, why are you cutting? Why you came this fast to start cutting your locks off? Like, they have not even gotten into the longer stage of the locks. Are you cutting the locks off? Do not cut your locks. Yikes. I like it when we have more people. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you love this video, you can support by just clicking the like button, drop in the comments, and share this video to somebody who you think might need it, someone that has locks too, that you know, this person needs to see this video. Kindly share. Till I come your way next time, I'm your girl Loc Classic, and like I said, stay locked in. Bye for now.